Hi, welcome to SK Art and Design. Today I'm going to talk to you about using complementary colors to bring pop to your artwork. Now here we have a small paper collage I'll use as an example. It has colors mostly in the yellow and orange. Yellow and orange on the color wheel are analogous colors. Analogous means they're alongside each other. But we're going to show you how to use complementary colors to bring a little more pizzazz and pop to your artwork. Complementary colors, an example here, is orange and blue. They're opposite each other from the color wheel. So anytime they're opposite, they're complementary. When they're alongside, they're analogous. So here we have our analogous colors. And we want to add a little more pop or interest to this piece. So you can see if I add an element that really is in the same color, looks pretty, but it's not going to add much interest. So I'm going to add something from the blue family. Now that brings a little more interest, and I can show you some more examples of this. Here we have a piece that is mostly in kind of the yellowy gold tones. It's got a little bit of red in here. Now the yellowy orange and the red are, if you drew your color wheel into triangles, they would be in what we call a triad. So triad colors can add interest too, just like complementary. So here we're going to bring out a little more of this red. Now this red dress is really fun because even though it's a flat image, it looks like it has texture. And then we have this gorgeous lady here. So you can see as we add some more red, it definitely brings more interest to our piece. Again, show you some more examples here. You'll find as you watch my episodes, and please subscribe, that I am definitely a cat lover. So here I have a group of cats made up in a collage. And just to show you, since these are mostly in the orange and yellow family, if we added blue as a background, since that's a complementary color, it's going to add interest. I also have some green here, and the green is a triad color, and it adds interest too. Now I can still get some interest from this one, even though it's in the same orange and yellow family. It has different values, kind of lighter and brighter and darker, and that adds interest too. You can check out value is also on your color wheel here. It goes from light to medium and medium to dark. So value is a change in the darkness or the lightness of your color. This is all pretty much in the same family when it comes to value, sort of mediums. But if I add something that's paler or lighter, or something that has a little white in it, that starts to add interest. So I have some pale yellows, some white, some paler orange, and even a little antique paper and the very pale light value, and that adds interest. Now there's lots of ways to add interest: complementary colors, value changes, and also scale. Here we have where scale is used to increase interest. We have the leaves, which are all little tiny leaves like polka dots. We have the medium-sized stripes, which are bolder and larger. And then we have the one element here, which is the head. So here we kind of have large, medium, and small when it comes to scale or size. So ways to make your art pop is to play around with scale, with value, and with colors that are across from each other on the color wheel. And make sure you don't miss any episodes. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because on our next episodes, I'm going to show you a couple of different painting techniques, ways to paint on paper to make your own papers that can be used in mixed media and collage. Lots of fun, brings in a lot of texture, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thank you for joining us.